was just bony hands, as cold as a winter pole. You held a warm stone out, new flowing blood to hold. Oh, what a contrast you were, with boots in the halls. My timid young fingers held a decent animal. Over the ramparts you tossed the scent of your skin and some foreign flowers, tied to a brick, sweet as a song. The years have been short, but the days were long. Cool of a temperate breeze, from dark skies to wet grass. We fell in a field, it seems now 1,000 summers past. When the kite lines first crossed, we tied them into knots to finally fly apart. We had to cut them off. Since then it's been a book you read in reverse, so you understand less as the pages turn. Or a movie so crass and awkwardly cast that even I could be the star. I don't look back much as a rule, and all this way before murder was cool. But your memory is here, and I'd like you to stay. Warm light on a winter's day. You tossed the scent of your skin and some foreign flowers, tied to a brick, sweet as a song. The years have seemed short, but the days go slowly by. Two loose kites falling from the sky, drawn to the ground and an end to fly.